Hey, what up, biz? Mitsuownes. In today's one, to talk about the top 5 things you need to know when going on a cruise. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1, know your cruise. I mean, what are you trying to see? What are you trying to experience? Are you traveling maybe with kids? Is it kids friendly? Or are you traveling with pets? Is it pet friendly? And what about the ports? Are they any interesting for you? About the excursions maybe, or the trips interesting? So all of these things should be in check when booking your first cruise. Number 2, do not forget your necessities, because they can be quite expensive on the cruise. So I'm talking about stuff like sun cream, an adapter for the power socket so you can charge your phone, camera, notebook, etc. Toiletries, very important, stuff like toothpaste, a razor, toothbrush, etc. And water. Depending on the cruise, maybe you get like a 6-pack worth of water in for free. So definitely don't forget about that, especially if you are on a cruise and did not book an all-exclusive package or a drink package. So definitely can save a lot of money when bringing your own water. Number 3, make the sea day count. The sea day is the day in which the ship transits from one port to another, so you do not get to exit the ship on that day, and that is the day you should definitely explore the ship in its entirety if you can. Maybe it's way too big for a day, but maybe there is a barber and you need a haircut. That is the day you should get that done. Maybe there is a gym you can get a workout in, maybe a cinema, watch a movie. That is the day you should explore the ship and, enjoy some time there. Number 4, excursions. That is a big one. Once you arrive at a port, you can go on excursions, maybe explore the city, maybe go on snorkeling tours and so on. Or you can go solo and take a cab, explore the city that way, go for a walk. However, there is a big downside to that. If you get lost in time, the ship does not wait for you. So it's definitely safer doing a tour with the cruise. You do have to spend some more money doing it, but it's safer, especially if it's the first time going on a cruise. And finally, number 5, motion sickness might be a problem for you, especially if the waters are rough and it's your first time cruising. And I do have an odd trick which proved helpful in the past, and not just for me. Do have some candy standby. I'm talking about some gummy bears, maybe some jelly beans. Eat a couple of those, and hey, maybe it should work for you as well. So there you have it. Those are the top 5 things you should know when going on your first cruise. Well, with that being said, this was this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Mitsuownes signing out. Peace.